From now on, you will never need to guess what phone has come your way. IMEI Info Checker app allows you to get all necessary device information in a few swift and simple steps. Check the in-app guide to learn where to look for the IMEI number or numbers of your smartphone. Or follow the steps that you see on your screen and check the IMEI number in no time. Copy the IMEI number and paste it into the app to check the device information and specifications. Now you have mastered the art of using the IMEI number. But what if you have an inquisitive friend?
Huh?
No worries, the app got you covered. Just share the device specs using the built-in Share button. But the cherry on top is the fact that you do not even need to enter the IMEI code manually. You can use the app to scan IMEI barcodes en masse. And also delete already scanned IMEI numbers you no longer need. Or scan a single barcode with the same convenience. Scanned codes automatically disappear from the list once you check them. But what if I needed that code still? No worries at all. The app saves all scanned IMEIs to the designated history section, which you can easily clear if needed.